What do we got going on over here?
Oh, I'm just whipping up a little pizza. All right, that's the chili cheese pie with ketchup, potato chips, jalapenos, pepperoni, and our brisket chili and cheddar cheese mozzarella blend. Kind of silly. So this is special sauce, you know, like that Thousand Island dressing burger sauce. And then we had made a batch of our brisket chili today. Little Fior latte.
So why special sauce and not tomato sauce?
There's no boundaries in pizza, right? It's always tomato sauce, pesto, white sauce, olive oil. That's really the whole limit. Really, I want you to have the experience and taste all kinds of food, right? And enjoy it. There's no boundaries in this. Can you throw me a jalapeno?
Excuse me, what's going on
With the Miss Vicky's sweet and spicy ketchup chips? So you know how much I hate ketchup? I'm not a fan of ketchup. I don't like it, okay? I like it with grilled cheese and I do like it with French fries, but not that often. But these sweet and spicy ketchup chips, these I like because they're not sauce. That's just a little bit of Parmesan, kind of a crispy, crunchy, chili, pepperoni, jalapeno. You can put anything you want on your pizza. Some people like it easy. I like it fun.
Really expanding the borders on the definition of pizza here.
You're only limited by your imagination. That's the pie. If you want the best for the winter, sometimes a Kamado is the best thing to have in the winter because it gives you that pace and it holds the heat in. A gas grill loses all the heat the second you open the door. At my house, I take my gas grills and I throw fire bricks in there so that when I open the lid, the fire bricks are hot. I can do my turning and flipping and whatever else, but when I close it down, those bricks are still warm. It heats up a little bit faster and it keeps the heat in there. Fire bricks, right? That's all you need is fire bricks. And you can do things to boost that heat and to keep it in. But wintertime, it's keep the lid closed. You know, it's easier to do things in a Kamado, I find, than it is on a gas grill. Charcoal grills work great, but the colder it gets, the more fuel they use. So they'll eat that charcoal, they eat that wood up real quick when it's cold. It just disappears. So you're forever feeding the fire. And that's it. And if it doesn't come out the way you wanted it, the greatest thing is that you can learn. And then the next time you do it, you can modify the way that you do it.
So explain, what's the honey on the wood for?
To hold my eggs in place, man.
Can you break down these eggs for us?
So these are what I called what the fuck eggs. And so these are pickled eggs, but they're pickled in fire-roasted ghost peppers, onions, red jalapenos, and habaneros. So it's 3 different types of chilies and onions. We fire-roasted them, and then they fermented for 2 years in a vat of whiskey. Our local honey, this is our honey from here at the Joint Barbecue. This is our wildflower honey that feeds on the wildflowers in the golf course as well as our apple orchard. So it's our own honey. Just a little bit of greenery over top of it. These are called what the fuck eggs.
Okay.
And these are about 3 months old in the pickle. And so they've got a little bit of a kick to them, not blow your head off. If I was to give you the whole egg with the chili that comes out of the brine, that'll ruin your palate for the evening because it's what the fuck. So we have 4 beehives, raise our bees, and they pollinate through the apple orchard and the wildflowers. Joel, maybe take a shot of the apple orchard. All these little fellows will go over there and start pollinating. Then we'll get some apples. And then we pick all those apples and we take them down the road and we process them into a pasteurized apple cider. And we use that apple cider at the Joint Barbecue for brining our chicken and our pork and making special sauces and just having a glass of good old tasty cider with a shot of bourbon on the side. And then give us a beautiful batch of honey. So far this year we've got, I think we're at about 80 gallons worth of honey that we've received. That might be a little high, but it's a fair amount. They're heavy. Let's just say totes that we've got them in, they're pretty heavy. So it's local honey, it's fresh, it's nice, and we sell it here at the Joint. So grab a WTF egg and see what happens. All right, that's the chili cheese pie with ketchup, potato chips, jalapenos, pepperoni, and our brisket chili and cheddar cheese mozzarella blend. It's kind of silly. Dive in.
Thank you.
Hey everybody, Ted Reeder here. We're having some fun. I like cooking. I guess a lot of you know that anyway. Well, what I'd like to know from you is, what would you like us to cook? What kind of grilling recipes, smoking recipes, barbecue recipes, what are you looking to learn? I'm here to teach you, share my experience, and share my love of barbecue with you. So tune into my YouTube channel. I make tasty. That's what I do. Cheers.